In this video, I will show you how to optimize image on ShineOn. First, log into your ShineOn account and scroll down to where you can customize your product with your own artwork. Click on Open Artwork Designer, then hit Select File to upload an image from your computer. Once it's uploaded, just drag the photo onto the default design to place it. Next, click on Effects and wait for the options to load. Here you can apply different effects to your design. Change the color, adjust brightness or blur, and even add borders, corner radius, or shadows. Simply toggle them on and move the sliders until your image looks just the way you want. When you're happy with the result, click Save and Continue. And that's how to optimize image on ShineOn.